Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn how to create a landscape video using Gemini Pro. This is useful when you want to create videos for YouTube, presentations, ads, course previews, social media, or creative storytelling. Let's see the complete process step by step. First, open Gemini in your browser and sign in with your Google account. On the Gemini home screen, go to the prompt box where we normally type our question. Now click on the plus icon near the prompt box. Here you will see different options like add from Drive, create image, create video, canvas and other tools. For this lecture we will select create video. Once we click create video, Gemini opens the video creation screen. Here we can either choose a template or describe the video we want to generate. For example, Gemini may show templates like talking pets, anime, 8-bit adventure, and other creative styles. But in this demo, we will create a video using our own prompt. Before entering the prompt, we need to choose the video aspect ratio. Since we want a landscape video, select landscape 16:9. This format is best for YouTube videos, online courses, presentations, and widescreen content. If you want a short video for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels or TikTok, then you can choose Portrait 9:16. But for this lecture, we will keep Landscape 16:9 selected. Now let's write a simple prompt. Create a cinematic landscape video of a peaceful mountain valley during sunrise with soft golden light, moving clouds, birds flying in the sky, and calm background atmosphere. After writing the prompt, click the Generate button. Gemini will now start creating the video based on our description. This may take some time because video generation is more complex than text or image generation. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. Check whether the scene, camera movement, lighting, and overall style match your idea. Let me download and play the video. You can hear beautiful voice as well. If the result is not perfect, you can improve the prompt and generate again. For better results, write clear details in the prompt. Mention the scene, subject, camera movement, lighting, mood, style, and aspect ratio. For example, instead of saying create a nature video, say create a cinematic 16:9 landscape video of a forest waterfall with slow camera movement and soft morning light. This gives Gemini more direction and improves the final output. One important thing to remember is the video generation limit. At the time of recording, Gemini Pro users may have a limit of around 3 video generations per day for this feature. So use your prompts carefully before generating. Do not waste generations on very small or unclear prompts. First, think about your video idea, write a detailed prompt. Select landscape 16:9 and then generate the video. If you reach the limit, you may need to wait until the limit refreshes or use another available plan or tool. So the complete flow is simple. Open Gemini, click the plus icon, choose create video. Select landscape 16:9. Write a clear video prompt. Generate and preview the final video. That is how we can create a landscape video using Gemini Pro. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture.